mighty cyclone through the estuary I fathered. Platonic sounds from the echoes of my lungs. Ditch pipe origines talking back in tongues. Grass bank of flame flies where the river runs. Collaborating sorcerers and kindlings in hum. Spiritual ambassadors took me through the woods, sinking wet passages and tumble over roots. Guided missiles, deep purple, dark blue, and back through the loop of sand buried in my shoe. From the southwest, stronger than fire. Cycle tracks pissed up, tripping them wires. Reached the resort's lungs wheezing and they're tired. Now we're trapped on this island with nowhere to retire. Mandolin string shaking like my nervous hands. Beach bound, stranded man down on the sands. Dried out survivors who seaside are revivers. From forest fires to insignificant others. Under the waterfall trying to cleanse his mind. Dehydrated dreams keep recurring, sending signs. Spelling out his name written clearly in the vines. As the second wave hits and creeps in on the slide. Avoid the heat stroke and dwell inside the shade. Like a war film, man down medic, a classic case. Mind starts to tighten back up at a slow pace. It was all guns blazing, now we're left to rot and waste. Ain't escaping my dreams tonight. They're holding coloured crayons, drawing up beams of light and working in unison.